All right, thanks for staying with us. The EFCC's bid for a final forfeiture of $2.05 million on landed properties linked to former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Godwin Emefiele, was hampered at the Federal High Court, Lagos, on Thursday. The anti-graft agency believes the properties amount to proceeds of crime. Emefiele has more.
In August, the Federal High Court ordered an interim forfeiture of $2.045 million, as well as some choice properties located across Lagos and Delta states of a company which were all linked to Godwin Emefiele. This followed an ex parte application brought by the EFCC upon the belief that they were tainted with crime. The judge ordered the EFCC to publish the forfeiture notice in a national newspaper within 14 days for any interested party to tell the court while the money and properties shouldn't be finally forfeited to the government. Two interested parties, one of whom is Mr. Emefiele, then filed court processes on the matter. Thursday's sitting was for the hearing of all applications. Mr. Emefiele's lawyers urged the court to hear his motion first and pronounce a ruling on it before the other applications. The former CBN chief, through his lawyers, led by Olalekan Ojo SAN, is seeking a stay of proceedings of this case until the final determination of a corruption charge brought against him by the EFCC at the Lagos State High Court. But the EFCC's lead counsel, Rotimi Oyedepo SAN, argues that the criminal trial cannot hinder this forfeiture proceedings. The anti-graft agency also urged the court to order the final forfeiture of the $2.045 million, since none of the interested parties laid claim to it. But Mr. Ojo SAN says such a request couldn't be made piecemeal, but along with the other properties. Justice Dikpeolu, in his response, said the motion for final forfeiture isn't ripe for hearing, since the other pending applications were yet to be heard.
The property was surreptitiously sold from the back by the left-hand company of the former CBN governor. So, aligning with EFCC will make us to realize our option of face refusal because we want to buy the property.
The EFCC instituted this case as a matter of urgency during the annual vacation of the Federal High Court, which now ends on Friday this week. Justice Dainde Dikpeolu, the vacation judge, ordered that in view of the contentious nature of Thursday's hearing and due to time constraints, that the case file be returned to the admin judge for further directions and adjourned to October the 4th. Kemi Foladiemo, TVC News, Lagos.